Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys today? I'm doing well. Today I have my plan with me for the week of St. Patrick's Day. It's the 12th of March through the 18th of March, and we are using this 2-page mini kit from HurricaneRandi that I recently hauled for you guys. So if you missed that haul, the 2 pages include, this is her old format, just so you know. She doesn't sell this format anymore. She now has little like quarter sheets. She has 4 quarter sheets. Which I like this format, I think, a lot more because you get the full 8 boxes and the bottom washi and headers. So I really like this setup, and I kind of don't mind paying the, like, I think it was like 50 cents more for this. So anyway, we have 8 full boxes, 4 flags, a bill due, and then this page is bottom washi, glitter headers, which is a full set for all 3 sections, a bunch of quarter boxes, a habit tracker, 2 teardrops, some icons, and heart checklists for the week. So obviously I'm going to need to pull like sidebar stuff and things like that. Here's how last week came out. I like it. I think it came out real cute. Oh yeah, the other thing not included in this is a weekend banner, so I've got to figure that out too. But yeah, I'm not feeling so hot. I actually have, I'm coming off the tail end of a migraine, so I'm going to do the music and fast forward this week for you guys, and I will talk to you guys again at the end. So, you know what that means? Here we go.
If I had money sweethearts that e'er I've had, they're sorry for my going away, and of all those sweethearts that
Alrighty guys, so here is the finished spread, and as you saw, I had to work on this sidebar just a wee bit. This Monday through Sunday box is from Organizing Companion, from some leftovers that Chloe gave me, which you guys will be seeing a lot of that. I tend to use those when I'm using smaller kits. Sorry, I forgot to cover up this bottom section with, with the washi. So I just brought out this yellow polka dot washi. And I believe this one was originally from Hobby Lobby. As you can tell, I've used a lot of it because I really like it. It works so well for spring and stuff. So if you are just starting out, I would highly recommend that you stick with more simple washi's like this one, and you know, splurge every once in a while on a holiday, but don't go crazy with the holiday washi. I'm actually going to, you guys saw me struggle with this quarter box like multiple times, and I'm still not in love with it, so we will use this washi to make it all better. And then it'll be perfecto. Every time I say perfecto, I want to say petroleum after. Which, be on the lookout, I'm going to have another Happy Mail this week. I still have to film it. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm struggling with this box. To the point I think I'm gonna have to use glue on it. I don't know, something's off there. It's the washi or the box. I don't know. But we definitely need some of this yellow over here. So these boxes were from DEK Designs, and they are actually repositionable matte, which is very nice. And let's see, where did I pull out some other stuff from? So I got SaraElizabethPrints. I got SaraElizabethPrints. These are from BriannaNicoleDesignz, along with the coffee cups. And the weekend banner is from Anna over at A Loves 22. This half box, I don't remember. It's like Sugar Bear Shop or something. It was more leftovers, but it was like the perfect green, so I grabbed it out of my stash and forgot to grab the actual whole sheet that I had that had the name of the shop. But I think it's like Sugary Bear Shop or something. That was from leftovers that Miss Beth sent me over at Beth Graves, Beth Beauty and More. You can just see I'm just using this to bring in some more of that yellow in some places. I think I like that. I always gotta remember to like chill on the washi. I feel like I need some washi here though. Yeah, I need one more piece of that washi. So what we're going to do is just bring this up just a tad. Oh, Stickeriffic is where that trash can is from. And the planner over on the other page. Who else did I bring in? Oh, this is from Happy Planner. I just wanted something up there like quote-wise. And I just lost my ruler. Did you guys see where I put it? Oh, it's right here. And yeah, I think that covers it. I think it was like mostly Stickeriffic, BriannaNicoleDesignz, and that SaraElizabethPrints. Those glitter boxes. and organizing companions where I found that weekly box. Okay. I think that might do it. I think that might do it. Yeah, I think that's good, except this box is crooked. And now I'm very aware that that bill due is crooked. This is the thing about white space, guys. I will tell you, if you are no white space planner, no white space is easier for spacing and stacking stickers, and you don't really have to worry about things lining up because you literally just stack them on top of each other. So, and this glitter header is now crooked, which means everything in this section is crooked too. So I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. By the time I get icons and stuff on it, it all balances itself out. But yeah, I like how it came out. It's very open and white spacey, and I got glitter, and it's St. Patrick's and rainbows, and here's, like I said, a look back at last week. I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying the white space. Yeah, I haven't done no white space in a while, but I can tell you next week is special, and that one's going to be white space as well because I ordered a mini kit. I've been saving money by ordering mini kits, so that is just something that you guys can look into. It also helps to have, you know, some planner friends that are feeding you leftovers, or, you know, I won some in a giveaway and things like that. So that's always helpful. It's really, it takes time to build your sticker stash, so don't think that, you know, it's just like one and done. So if you're going to go into planning and you're going to do white space planning, what I would recommend is invest your money in the sales in, like, if you've already been planning for a while. Let's start there. So you've been planning for a while, you have a few leftovers, but you don't have a huge sticker stash because you use your stickers. You're a no white space planner. So let's say you want to transition to white space. What I would tell you is invest your money in sidebar stuff, because mini kits don't come with that. If you are a date cover, like you have to have your like ride or die date covers, then buy your date covers. And then buy your multicolor functional items. Like SaraElizabethPrints, she sells like that whole kit of glitter stuff. It's like glitter half boxes, bill due stickers, quarter boxes, and some other sheet, and it's like $9. And you buy that, and then headers. A lot of mini kits don't come with headers, so if you don't like glitter headers, invest in printed headers. But definitely keep an open mind when you're looking at stickers in shops. If they have a really good sale but you don't see a kit that you want, look at their functional day-to-day items, and if you're getting 50, 55, 60% off during a sale, that's when you invest your money, you know, wisely, unless you have the ability to do printables. If you have the ability to do printables, do printables. I will tell you that 100 times over and over and over. I have not gotten there. So this will morph throughout the week. Please head over to my Instagram. The link is down below, along with any other pertinent links for this spread. And what I have left are literally 2 little halves of the checklist that I cut for the weekend, and then 2 teardrops and some icons, and that's it. And I'm literally just going to cut that and that out so I don't have to carry the whole sheet, and stick this in my little photo album. This thing is so handy all the time. I love it. Oh, I forgot to put that down. Yep, I wanted a yellow grocery bag. These are from oh my gosh, Samantha Bell Designs, and she used to be called Pog's Discoveries. Give it back. Don't tear, don't tear, don't tear. Ooh. Sorry. my cell phone bill. And then this day is laundry day too, but I don't know if I'll do it Saturday or Sunday. And then like all these functional things, these were sent to me, they were a gift, but they were all purchased when there was big sales in those shops. So like I know that I use Paydays, and I know that I use, you know, date night stickers, and these are like special. I milk my Once More with Love stickers. But yeah, I always buy functional stuff when it's on like some crazy super sale, so that I can fill out a spread like this, or fill out a spread like this. Because if you guys watched last week, you know how the spread started out. It was not this full. There was a lot of stuff here that's still here, but there's definitely more now. So that's all I would tell you guys. Invest in your functional stuff. Grab sidebar stuff, because that's the stuff that you're always going to be looking for. Weekend banners. Oh my gosh, weekend banners. Always grab weekend banners. If you see weekend banners you like, buy them. Yeah. But other than that, if you guys have any questions about how to ramp up your sticker stash or get started in planning or anything like that, leave them in the comments below and I will answer them for you in a more in-depth video coming up here in the near future. So I really appreciate all the support and love you guys have been giving me lately, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Enjoy St. Patrick's Day, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you. Bye for now.
They'd wish me